G'day viewers, welcome to Boracay. Is that the best sunset in the world? This is a typical Boracay site down at Station 2. As you can see here, Boracay has lots of white sandy beaches and we'll talk about what those beaches are. This is how you get to Boracay on a ferry, and I've done a previous video on how to get to Boracay. I call it the pentathlon of getting to Boracay because it's quite a process and can take up to certainly half a day, 3/4 of a day to get there. As you can see from these photos, most of the shots are pretty spectacular. These photos were taken just with an iPhone 10, so they're pretty good quality for an older phone. So most people when they go to Boracay, they stay on White Beach. White Beach is broken up into stage 1, 2 and 3. Stage 2 or Station 2 is very busy and very crowded. Sometimes Boracay gets a negative rap because people only see Station 2 and don't go to any other parts of Boracay. I find that going into Station 2 and hanging out there for dinner and dinner and a bit of music is a good balance, and then go back to Station 1 or 3 or up to Punta Bunga Beach, which is only about 10 minutes away. I find that a good balance, and it's a lot quieter up that way. This is a little bit of drone footage of Punta Bunga Beach, where you have the Movenpick, which I love, and the Shangri-La, which is being shown now, and the Crimson Resort. These resorts are generally about 200 or in US dollars, 160 US dollars to 300 US dollars a night. But the beach up there, Punta Bunga, is absolutely sensational. And so there's plenty of things to do at Boracay, plenty of things to see. It's only a small island. It's probably 6 kilometres from top to bottom, but only about 1.5 kilometres wide. So it doesn't take very long to have a tour around the island or check things out. And I think the beach at White Beach is pretty good all year round. It does get some algae at certain times, so just be aware of that. The beach on the other side of the island is more prone to wind for 10 months of the year. The great thing about White Sands Beach is that there's a lot of, as the name implies, a lot of white sand. There's beautiful palm trees, turquoise water, and all the way along the beach there's bars, restaurants, music, and plenty of things to do. There's also a lot of souvenir shops and massage shops as you rock along there. But it's a very nice place to walk along. Outstanding place to see the sunset. I'm going to rate the sunsets on Boracay as the most consistent sunsets in the world. certainly in the world that I've seen. I've been to 59 countries in the world, and I've been to 12 islands in the Philippines. I think the Boracay sunsets are the best that I've seen anywhere. Here we have a Boracay typhoon. It was still nice though. But yeah, so in Boracay, a great day consists of getting up, having a big buffet breakfast, going down to the beach, having a swim, a little bit of lunch, afternoon nap, back down the beach for a swim, go and watch the sunset, go to a nice restaurant, and then off to listen to some music and have a couple of quiet drinks. And doesn't get much better than that anywhere. And sometimes waiters on Boracay need a little bit of chiropractic treatment to fix their neck up, and I saw him the next day and his neck was a lot better. The other areas on Boracay that are definitely worth visiting. G'day viewers, if you're enjoying this video, like and subscribe. Punta Bunga Beach, which we talked about, and Puka Beach, which is up the northern end of the island of Boracay. The Puka Beach is well worth the trip. Most of the island hopping tours stop up there at Puka Beach. It's good swimming, good buying, and nice white sand. The best restaurants that we've been to on Boracay are located down along the main strip. So you can just walk along the main strip, have a look at the menus and see what you like. Our favourite is a Playa, which is located on the border of a station. There's an Italian restaurant, a bar, right on the beach, right on the palm trees, and it's got a little dance club upstairs also. Absolutely outstanding place and highly recommend it. The other places that are good for food are down at Station 3, which is a lot quieter, at Villa Camilla. Very good food down there. They have some music there also. We've been to the Henan resorts and found them to be very good also. I think there are 6 or 7 Henan resorts out on Boracay now. So I think price-wise for the Henan resorts, it's pretty reasonable and a good place to take the family. Here we have Annie hanging out at Puka Beach. We had a little walked about 100 metres. We had a private beach to ourselves. Here we have Hello Mango, which is in D Mall. It's got everything mango there, and it's a fantastic place to stop off for dessert. Here we are at a Playa with a pizza, and then La Plaza for breakfast the next day. Here we have the favourite place, a Playa. Now Nakla, that's a seafood place. It's got lots and lots of good seafood up there, very fresh and here we have our old favourite White Sand, which unfortunately has closed down in the interim. I think that COVID might have got them. Here we have Annie and I at our favourite go-to spot, the Felice hotel. Felice Hotel have music on every night, and it's pretty high quality. As you know, the Filipinos are very good. They're very good at singing after they've had years and years of practice with their karaoke. Just to finish off, here's my favourite beach on Boracay, Punta Bunga Beach. And you've got beautiful white sand, beautiful turquoise water, and palm trees on the beach. Absolutely outstanding place. And in my opinion, Boracay hasn't got the best beach in the world. Not even the best beach in the Philippines, because I think Luna Beach at El Nido is the best beach that I've seen so far. But I think sunset-wise, I think Boracay has got consistently the best sunset, not only in the Philippines, but anywhere in the world. That's a big call. If you know a better spot, leave something in the comments below and let me know. But if you take a look at this, it's absolutely outstanding. Good evening. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.